2011, C4, question 8. So I have this function fx is sine x, and we are between minus 90 and 90. I want the inverse function of that. So whenever you're doing the inverse function, write it as the arc, because that means it's defined just 1 to 1. Now, if you think of the sine x graph between 90 and minus 90, it is like so. So when you're doing the inverse of that, your x's range from what your y's were, and you're reflecting it in the line y equals x. So the range of that will be what the x's were up there, pi over 2 minus pi over 2. You can draw a graph out to illustrate that if you want, 1 minus 1, or you can just do it through logical thinking. Part 2. You've got a new function, gx, and the question wants gfx. So put your f, which is sine x, into your g, so moduling sine x. So if you look back up at the top there, that's your sine x graph. I want to module that, so anything that's in the bottom will be reflected up. So 1 minus pi over 2, pi over 2. So the range of this is between 1 and 0. And part 3 is sketch the graph, which you've already done.